Disclaimer.
Holy shit, bro, this update is juice. Gang, we have 3 movie characters in one update, bro. And yeah, I put on this skin quick, bro. I love Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse, Lord. I see the way you put that dude. All right, but yeah, y'all, they got Scar, they got Michael, they got a lot up in here, bro. We gotta play. Hurry. All right, bet, let's do it. I'm sorry, how Chucky got a skin? Look how small he is. Like what? Bro, this game is crazy. I can't lie. Alright, so y'all don't know nothing about this place in season 1. It was called the Military. They brought that whole back. Oh my god. Bro, we gotta go. Bro, you know what? Yeah, that's where we're going. I sure don't know nothing about that. I ain't gonna lie, I saw gameplay of season 1. It looked like it was fun back in the day. Hey, boy, you know, you just don't know. Alright, let's do this. Oh, very spooky. And this weapon good too. Oh, now you love it. Man, you in the bite, man. Man, don't bite. Boy, you about to get jumped. Whoa, what the? Wow. Whoa, that's a dope design for a bite. Bro, shut your ass. Nah, you had pushed the out like that shit, that girl. Oh, goodness. Oh, I hope this works. Oh, I'm about to die. Oh, my God, look at that design of that military history. Oh Lord, there he go, his Scar! Oh, that boy looking purple, that boy got a new look! No way, I'm about to die to Chucky the Killer Dog! Yep, they definitely gave me 2 more health in season 1! I'm behind you guys! What the f- Hey, where you think I move? Jesus! Oh. She really trying to sneak up on us. Oh my God, it's back! What in the world is this? Oh, I cannot wait to use these items. Whoa, but man, player 4 was doing work. Bro, I love wearing this skin, bro. It feel like I'm actually broke. Hear that? All right, y'all, bro, please, end game. Come on, boy, let's wear with new skins. Here we go. No, you don't, because I got Scar best weapon. Go. Time to go back. Time to die, Spider-Man. Oh, Lord. Grab that. Ooh, here we go, y'all, for the used item. What the f***? Oh, man, if you won't get out of my sight. Whoa, damn. God dang it, player 1. I got you. Player 2, where you at? Right here. Boy, you about to get your ass cooked. What even is that? Oh! We did it, player 3. Jesus. My boy, what is that, bro? An item we got from Scar, that boss. But yeah, dope Halloween update. I ain't gonna lie, W.